जय श्रीमन्नारायण 347th नामं फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम् ओम पद्मनिभेक्षणाय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, you have lotus-like beautiful wide eyes, and the vision coming from those beautiful eyes removes all of our sorrows. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Padmanibhekshanaya Namaha. Om Padmanibhekshanaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, here in the forest, Sita Rama Lakshmana, they started living while enjoying the association of all the great rishis. Sri Ramachandra Swami serving all the rishis. One of those days, Ramachandra Swami started noticing that all the rishis from that place started moving to other places. Everybody making their arrangements to move from there. Rama got a doubt why all the rishis are emptying this place, vacating this place. So he went to one of not only that, all the rishis talking to each other while looking at Rama. Rama noticed that, observed that. So Rama got a doubt and went and approached one of the older rishis, who is known as Kulapati. He went there and Krutanjalihi Vuvacha. Rama did namaskaram to him and started inquiring, O Maharshi, why all the rishis looking at me and talking to each other and making arrangements to vacate this place? Why? Did I do anything, any wrong thing towards our rishis? Or did my brother Lakshmana did anything wrong to all the rishis? O Maharshi, or did Sitamma do anything wrong to all the rishis? Please let me know. Ramachandra Swami asked that Maharshi like that. Then that Maharshi saying that, Kutaha Kalyana Sattvayaha. Rama, how did you even expect that? How are you even saying that Sitamma would do something wrong to rishis? She would never do wrong thing to anyone, and especially in the case of these Maharshis. Sitamma is so gentle and she is the embodiment of Sattvika Gunam. Oh Rama, not like that, but what happened is, ever since you moved here, ever since you started living here, Tvan Nimittam Idam, then onwards all the troubles started, all the rishis started getting these troubles. You know why? There is one demon whose name is Khara. He is brother of Ravana. Then onwards, ever since you moved here, then onwards, that Khara started sending all the rishis forcibly from here. Tvam yada prabhrutihi asmin ashrame. Only from the time you came and started living here, that Kara troubling every rishis. He is very cruel. Kara is very cruel. He would even eat humans like anything. Oh Rama. So he is torturing all the rishis. He disappears and hides somewhere along with all his associate Rakshasas, and they are killing some of the tapasvis, rishis. They are torturing some of the rishis. They are, while we are doing homam, they come and throw away all the sruksruvas, apakshipanti srugbhandan agnin. They throw away the sruksruvas and they pour water in the agni kundas, yajna kundas, and they break all the kalasas. Like this, they are troubling, torturing, killing all the rishis and sending all the rishis from here forcibly. That is why, oh Rama, we all decided to vacate this place, move to a far place where we do not have these kind of troubles from Rakshasas. That is how Kulapati responded to Sri Ramachandra Swami. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 37th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Asokaha, Taranaha, Taraha, Suraha, Saurihi, Janeswaraha, Anukulaha, Setavartaha, Padmi, Padmanibhekshanaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Padmanibhekshanaya Namaha. Om Padmanibhekshanaya Namaha. Om Padmanibhekshanaya Namaha.